Hi guys, and welcome to GPS Display Basics with Aglantis. Today I'll be focusing on the Trimble FmX and how to create a new implement. From your home page, press on your Settings button in the top right hand corner. From there, highlight your implement and go Switch Config on the right hand side. From this page, you can delete any implements that you might not be using. To do so, just highlight and press Delete. Just make sure that they are not the current implement, as you cannot delete that. To create a new one, we're going to go New on the right hand side, and we're going to give our implement a name. In this case, I'm going to call it one row, 1.6 meters. Once you're happy with the name, press the OK button. This will take us to our Select Active Plugins page. From here, you can add anything that you might be using external with an implement. So whether it's Field IQ or it might be field level, just highlight it and press the Add button, and it will put it into the Actives plugins. In this case, I don't have any plugins, so we're going to leave that blank. Once you're happy, press OK. Our implement setup page will be displayed, and you can select the operation. Once again, if you're planting or spraying, you can select that as your operation. In this case, I'm just going to press Other. Once you're happy with your operation, press Next. This is our measurements page, and the most important measurement we're going to put in is the swath width. So I'm at one row at 1.6 meters, so I'm going to type in 1.6. This will be the distance between the swaths in the paddock. Our application width underneath, for me it will also be 1.6. This will be the distance of area worked with each run. Number of rows will also be 1. If you have multiple rows in there, you can just type the amount that you have. Once you're happy with your measurements, press the Next button. In the Geometry tab, we are right to just leave this as standard. Hit the Next button. Overlap, once again, we leave this just standard unless we are doing a spraying implement, in which case you can adjust this. Hit the Next button once you're happy. If you have a remote logging switch plugged into one of the connectors on the back, you may select which connector, but in this case, we don't, so we're just going to leave it disabled. Press the OK button again. This will complete the setup of the implement, and now it will be available to select. So you can see it has automatically selected it there, one row 1.6 meters, and my swath width and application width are correct. Thank you very much for listening.